Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ad, Facebook and Bing Ad certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, hi, hello Ali. I am running an ad campaign for a laundry service in my locality. I don't know why, but I am putting selected handcrafted keywords, and Google is automatically adding keywords to the campaign which I don't even need. I'm putting in 50 keywords, and after a few days, when I get back, then I see there are 600 to 700 keywords. Please guide me how to avoid it. I'm posting it here to learn and find what my mistakes are that are leading to this and how I can avoid them in future. So this is a very common reason. I got it. Usually people see the error like they are having keywords 50, 60, or whatever their target are, which although I do not recommend adding so much keywords in a single ad group, but I recommend 5 to 10 keywords, because I believe that the intent with every keyword is very different for the user. But like if you have added 50 keywords and the next day you're going to see that you have 600, 700 keywords, and that is due to one silly mistake people do, one silly mistake, and that is that is because of automatic recommendations. Google periodically give suggestions to your account, and they offer automatic recommendations which you do not, if you approve or deny, they will automatically be applied on. So now to avoid it, where like you have seen that your 50 keywords turning into 607, it is because you ignored it. And now how you can look around is simply move on to your Google Ads account, simply have a look on the notification tab, and then someday you are gonna look around a notification over here. Simply reject or deny that notification, which is a suggestion from Google, because Google is in Google AI, artificial intelligence based algorithm, is something automatic, and they want to get you more and more account score. So for them account score is a lot more important thing. And now to get an account score high, they are going to recommend something. They may see that keywords as a as a good addition to you, but you have to approve or deny. If you do not look around in notifications, they will be automatically applied on it. This is one of the common reasons. Whatever niche or industry you're going to work is, you will feel it, and eventually it can cause invalid traffic, loss of conversions, even it can decrease the quality score for the campaign, which can ultimately increase your CPC cost for your campaigns. So which is why it's a big no. So to have a keep a strong eye on notifications, see, to whenever there is a recommendation from Google, you can simply reject it, because this is an automated, so you need to reject it manually. Also, this will also help you in having a regular view or check of your account, because with manual reviews you can improve your account. In case if you need a professional help audit in Google Ads setup, or in case if you're looking for a professional Google Ads audit, me and my team can help you. So I hope, first of all, this answers your question. But in case if you need a professional help with the Google Ads campaign, then you can hire us. What you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description to get started working with me and my team, and we're going to make sure to help you in creating an awesome Google Ads campaign. So thank you for watching. Take care and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.